Khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net footage. Ordar mapi. Minwan ra mangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
Ka Additional Chief Secretary Jong Kajilla ka kong Rebecca V. SUCHIANG kan sa SHIMTI no KUM ka Chairman KUM Managing Director ba THYMMAI Jong ka Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited ban bujali ya ka jaka jong u CMD ba menta u Arun Kumar kem bahavi. Ya kani la pentib dah Menteri Rangba Jong Kajilla Konrad Sangma habaya keren bat kilat pathai khubor haga arpu phra tarik upana jilleo arajar arpu wei. Kat KUM ka jingyo tho jong Menteri Rangba ka Sorkar Jilla kala penmi ya kani ka jingpen bana haga sngi tho ding jong ka arpu santarik upana jilleo arajar arpu wei. Ula ongru daga jingshimti jong ka kong SUCHIANG kabala dairu ka officer bala kham rangba kum ka CMD ba THYMMAI kan yarabru ye kani ka office ka bapet ya ka kamsam boarding ha ka jilla barok ka wei bakan penbena ya ka rukom traikam bat khamtam ha ka bayadai bat ka jingpenmi ya ka khajna
where the ACS home that is called SUCHIANG will be taking over as a CMD of MeECL. And the order should have been out today, if not it will be out tomorrow. But my orders have been given on Friday, last week, on 25th of June 2021, where ACS home, Rebecca SUCHIANG, will be the new CMD of MeECL.
So will this frequent change help the cash trap MeECL?
It will not immediately show results because it's very complicated. I have again repeated again and again that MeECL has had a lot of difficulty because of whether the unbundling of the companies, the 800 crores of the terminal benefits to be given to the employees, which again was not given, and therefore they have to take it out of their own revenue. Whether it is from the overall payments to be made to different companies, generation companies. So there has been a huge financial burden. As I keep repeating in my press conferences, that whereas states like Assam and Manipur and Arunachal and others, some owe nothing to these big companies. Some and most of them owe less than 100 crores. Meghalaya owes 1,300 crores. You can just imagine the difference in the dues that are there. And then suddenly the MeECL and the NTPC themselves went into financial trouble. Therefore, what would a company do when they are in financial trouble? They would look at their biggest dues, which happens to be Meghalaya, and they will start pressurizing them. It's a natural process. It's the same for us. If we have big companies and industries here, and suddenly MeECL doesn't have money, we will start cutting the power supply of these big companies. So MeECL and NTPC were given instructions to cut the power of Meghalaya until unless they pay. So therefore, it's just a matter of timing that it just so happened that this process started 6 months back. And that's when the pressure on Meghalaya government came in to clear these entire dues of the last 10 years, 12 years within a matter of 2 months, 3 months. Therefore, it was a huge challenge, and that pressure I think will continue now. I've seen many reports in the press talking about, opposition saying that government should look at streamlining the finances. Let's be clear, we are not here to play politics with this situation. Everybody knows that the entire situation has been a culmination of many decisions that were taken in the past, right or wrong. But this has been a culmination of all of that. And the reason why the pressure is on us is because NTPC and as well as MeECL were actually facing problems where they could not even pay their salaries. They had to even lay off people. So those kind of situations when MeECL faced, they said, well, sorry Meghalaya, but you'll have to pay us. We don't know how you arrange the money, but we need our 1,300 crores. And that's when this pressure came on us. So therefore, if by bringing in a new CMD, we'll be able to change it overnight, most probably not. But we are hopeful that we'll be able to build up a stronger team. Rebecca is a very senior person and she's handling finance also. So therefore, a good coordination will be there. And let us see that we can move in a positive manner and find a solution so that we can actually start seeing some improvement in the overall function. But having said that, I'm not saying that the previous functioning of outgoing chairman was bad or good. I'm not saying that. It's a tough situation. And so therefore, but the tough situation will require tough measures to be taken. That's the reason why at that point in time we had come up with the DF proposition. But then at that point in time, a lot of people in the cabinet police felt that we should give a chance to MeECL to try to improve. And therefore the cabinet decided that it will be done. But as we go along, we need to figure out how MeECL will be able to move forward. We expect that MeECL will have a loss of 900 crores this financial year. So now if we're expecting that this will be immediately taken care of just by changing a person and a position, maybe not. It's a tough way and journey.